How to fix Instagram blend not showing. Now, I'm going to be providing you very basic troubleshooting steps for you to have this kind of feature. But do you guys know that having this feature is just by sharing any contents available in your homepage right here for you to be able to have these option. So all I have to do, for example, let's just tap on a random post here. You just have to go on the share button and share whatever friend that you would like to share this video to or post so that you will have that kind of option. Well, basically, you have to be regularly sharing contents to your friends. However, if you do that multiple times and you still have not that option, and then just go into your Google Play Store and then type in Instagram. And this way, this is just making sure that the Instagram application we're using is going to be the latest version. If you have already updated it and still that option is not visible, then go back and try to find your Instagram icon here. Tap and hold in it and choose on the I logo, which will redirect you into the app info. And then from here, just go into storage and then just simply choose on clear data and clear cache. That's basically it. Those are the things that you can do for you to fix Instagram blend not showing.